Vremi Dehumidifier Review. A modern design 30-pint Vremi dehumidifier armed with a 4-gallon tank capable of removing 30 pints of moisture from the indoor air per day. The Vremi dehumidifier can bring down the humidity at any level, allowing homeowners to breathe and rest easier. Its sleek, lightweight design coupled with straightforward controls makes it easy to use and move around the home for maximum extraction of moisture. Pros: 1. Continuous 24-hour operation. 2. Features a turbo mode of operation for enhanced fan speed. 3. Slim design, coupled with inbuilt wheels for enhanced portability. 4. Easy to use, thanks to the straightforward controls. 5. Easy to clean, thanks to removable filter and water tank. Cons: 1. Can barely handle larger spaces over 1,000 square feet. 2. Does not come with drainage hose. The Vremi dehumidifier flaunts a sleek contemporary design and slim stature that occupies minimal space in a room. It flaunts a pleasant aesthetic aspect that makes it easy to the eye, which is largely attributable combined with the compact stature. Moving this dehumidifier to different locations is pretty easy. We tested this product in a humid basement for 120 hours. It ran as per specifications. So we think. The 1-year warranty goes to show that the manufacturers are confident in the durability of their product. Power and dehumidification capacity. The Vremi operates at 2 dehumidification modes, namely High Air Turbo CM138 and Normal Air CFM129, which maximizes its ability to remove moisture and odor from the indoor air. The turbo speed will come in handy when looking to dry the indoor air expediently, while the normal speed is perfect for quieter performance, particularly when most of the moisture has already been extracted. Armed with a 3-liter water tank, this dehumidifier can comfortably hold up to 4 gallons of moisture, which implies that it's best used for spaces no larger than 1,000 sqft. In addition to removing unwanted moisture from the indoor environment, this dehumidifier also causing bacteria, mold spores, and dust. Turbo mode increases fan speed from normal air CFM 129 cubic feet per minute to high air CFM 138 for maximum. Auto defrost feature we can't confirm as we could not check it during our experiment. However, the manual did state. When frost builds up on the evaporator coils, the compressor will cycle off and the fan will continue to run until the frost disappears. To ensure optimal performance of this device, users will want to clean the filter every month. The light indicator comes in handy in reminding users regarding cleaning the filter after 250 hours of operation. The Vremi 30-pint dehumidifier can operate on a 24-hour cycle, and the device switches off automatically when its tank can hold no more moisture. Its ENERGY STAR certification makes it an excellent choice when looking to cut down on power consumption and the associated energy bills. Operating the Vremi dehumidifier is pretty easy thanks to the easy-to-read controls situated at that presets by default. Change the relative humidity level within the range of between 35% and 85% RH to suit your specific requirements. Use the turbo button to control the fan speeds. The Vremi 30-pint dehumidifier features a comfort button that automatically sets ideal humidity levels based on the room temperature, eliminating the need to adjust it manually. This dehumidifier also comes with a removable tank that comes in handy when users are looking to empty it with ease. Homeowners may also opt to attach a hose to the integrated drain outlet and enjoy continuous drainage. Thanks to the turbo mode, users can select their desired fan speed depending on the moisture levels in their indoor environment. Cleaning and maintenance. The Vremi 30-pint dehumidifier features an easy-to-remove, clean, and reinsert water tank, and the instructions printed on the product renders the cleaning task much easier. The filter is equally easy to remove and clean. Users can wash